in Taiwan, guys. So this is our outfit check. Okay, so we're going. I don't, guys. It's 2 hours bus trip, no?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so let's go. Hi guys, we're here inside the bus na going to Yal kami. Kasi 5 kami. And yeah, let's just enjoy the view.
I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality.
Hey guys, we're here now at the Yalu Geo Park and sobrang so yung mga outfit namin, di ba guys? Kailangan tayo hubarin kasi sobrang init.
You need this. Fun pass.
Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice.
So guys, kailangan nyo magdala ng payong kasi sobrang init siya. Pero sobrang ganda naman. Like, wow. Super. Ito pa lang yung first part nung pagpunta namin dito. And we only have 30 minutes. Pero dala kayo ng payong sunscreen ito. Or hapon kayo pumunta for medyo maana na, hindi na mainit. Team talaga kasi kayo dito. Pero super ganda.
I'm sweet. And M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
Alright guys, so dito muna kami sa PA Coffee. Tambay. And then we're going to the next spot.
Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Tapos na kami dito guys sa famous spot, bus stop. So we're going to the next location, which is yung Lantern. So see you there. Alright, so grabe yung biyahe namin guys. Pupunta lang Shifen para mag Lantern fly. It's already 6:30 p.m. Grabe yung biyahe from the previous location. So, see you guys there.
Liu Fang, tapos nakatapos sa Togo, ito Taipei na.
Solo namin yung
Hello guys! So we are here at the
3.
Badu station and we're going to
Thailand!
We're going to Taiwan.
Hello!
Kanilang yung tao.
But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right.
Arrived at Shifen guys. Sana may makuha pa kaming lantern. It's already 7:40. They end at 8 p.m. So Tayo. 2 sides first daw. Okay.
Sayang.
Tayo lahat. Ano pa?
Siya, may pahal. Tama ko ba?
Tapos,
Diyan mo ako, be. Nalagay ko dito.
Tayo ulit. Sarap.
Gabi, huwag na muna agad, be.
来比个健康，来8月。
we're done with our lantern. That's 250 NT. Thank you, sir, for allowing us. Guys.
To the happiness that's just around the corner. I only have what's right in front.
Done, guys, here sa Shufeng. In the front. You go out first? Okay. So, tapos na kami sa main stage dito, guys, sa Lantern. So, this is the end of our day 3 here in Taipei. Sobrang happy. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.